What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, drawing Satoru Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the top edge of the blindfold. We're going to start over on the left side. Let's curve this up in the middle and then bend that back down on the right. Now on the ends, we just want to bend this in and then down. Let's bend this down towards the bottom, coming down and in to right about there on both sides. Now over on the right side, we're going to add a fold going across. So just going to bend this across and then up to right about there. Go down to the bottom left, come in and just tuck that in underneath. Let's tuck the nose in the center. On the left side, curve this down and then up. And move down, draw the top edge of the mouth, coming down and then up. On the ends, we'll add a small bracket. From the corners of the mouth, let's draw the bottom, coming down and then up. Add another curve across the top of the teeth, and we'll fill the bottom area in black. Now we're going to tuck the head in underneath the blindfold. From the bottom corners, we'll step in, starting on the left, curve this down and in underneath the mouth, go across and then up on the right. Let's add some hair coming down the side, coming down and in. Let's draw two large ears along the side, going up, come around, and just tuck that in towards the side of the head, and we'll just line that up on the right side. Let's add the fold across the top of the ear, going up and out. Go back to the inside and add a hook, coming in. Now we're going to push the hair up towards the top. From the top corners, we'll step in, bend the hair going up and then out. Now I want to add a small point on either side, just pulling that back in. Let's go back to the left side. Draw a longer curve going up and out, and pull that in. And then from here, it's going to brush the hair out towards the right. So up here, we're going to step out, curve this around and in. We're going to add a point coming down. Let's add a large one in the center, going up and then out, come in and then bend that down. I'm going to start adding some layers over on the right. So we're going to step up, bend this up, come down the side and then in, step back up and add another one, come down and then in towards the side. Now let's close off the gap with one more curve going up and then back down. Let's add some hair texture going across the top. Leaving a gap in the center on the left side. Just going to bend this around and up. Add a smaller one. Add one more on the outside. And add some over on the right, going up and out. Put this around. Now I want to move down and wrap that collar around the head. So starting on the left side, we're going to go out and then bend that in towards the side. From the outside of the collar, bend this down and then in. Now we're going to leave a gap and draw the side of the body. We're going to go out and then down towards the bottom. Close off the bottom with a curve. Now in the center, we'll draw two lines, one coming down from the left, and one from the right. Let's move to the center. We're going to split the legs with one straight line coming down towards the heels, and then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. We're going to start with the left side, coming down and up, go back to the center, and do the same thing on the right. On the outside of the foot, we're going to go up, bend the foot coming down, aiming towards the heel. I'll just curl that back up towards the inside. Now from the bottom of the body, step in, curve the leg going out and then down on top of the feet. I'm also going to add a thick sole along the bottom. So we'll take this curve, step up, trace this across towards the middle, continue over towards the right. Now we're going to go halfway across the side of the body, draw the inside edge of the arms, going out and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom curve of the thumb, come down and then bend that up, go out to the side, add the second finger, and then the third finger. I'm just going to blend this into the arm, going up and then in behind the collar. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to separate the cuff with a curve, starting on the left side, bend this across and then up. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Satoru Gojo from Jujutsu Kaisen. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.